Hi, this is Jonah with Sweet Honey Code, and today we're going to take a look at WP Shopify and how we can manage our products. So let's get started. I have already synced over some products from Shopify to WordPress using WP Shopify. So let's click Edit Product to see how we can edit this. As we can see, this information is showing up within our WordPress dashboard. But there's a slight problem. The information we're being shown here has been synced over from Shopify. And what needs to happen is we need to edit it over on Shopify to show that change over here on WordPress. One key thing you can see is the fact that I actually typed the word hi here on this product to try to change it. So if I click Update Now and click View, we can see that that change is not reflected. However, if I go to Edit Product and then click Edit in Shopify, it'll take me back to the Shopify store that I'm syncing with to make that edit in a proper way. So once I change anything here, let's try to type hi there. Within a certain time, it will sync back to my WordPress website to reflect that change. So this is the usual flow for things like this where you're pulling in content from other sources. So what if you want to make changes to this flow? Well, one way you can change this flow is back here on your WordPress website. You would go to WP Shopify and then Settings. Here, you would want to go to the settings here as well, and then General. The thing you can turn off is Create Product Detail Pages. Those detail pages are what is handling the fact that these products are listed here within your Shopify admin. So if you're comfortable turning it off, you'll come back here to the settings, back to general, toggle it off, and click save. That way, you would know without a doubt that you have to go to Shopify to make those changes. And those changes are reflected on a faster scale as the plugin will be actually pulling that data directly whenever that product is viewed versus synchronizing that information over to your WordPress dashboard. Either way works, it just depends on your comfort level. I hope you liked this video on how to manage your products using WP Shopify, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.